We know how frustrating it can be to manage the billing and collection process in a school. You spend hours manually collecting payments, chasing down parents for fees that are never paid on time. No real-time visibility into who has paid and who hasn't, leaving your team stressed trying to balance the books. Parents complain that they can't pay conveniently from home, and there's no auto-pay option to streamline the process. Unpaid balances pile up, and it feels impossible to reduce the debt in time. Does this sound familiar? But there's a solution. With CollegeOne Suite, all of this changes. Our system not only automates the collection process but also provides parents with easy, convenient payment options. The CollegeOne Parent Portal allows parents to view their invoices in real time, make payments via credit card or bank account, and even enable the auto-pay feature, offering them more convenience and flexibility. Imagine this: schools that previously had over $100,000 in unpaid balances have reduced that figure by 98%, simply by using CollegeOne Suite. No more long hours downloading data and uploading it into external accounting systems, or manually managing collections. CollegeOne Suite automates and unifies the entire billing and collection process, freeing your team from repetitive tasks and allowing you to focus on what truly matters: education. All within one integrated system that works for you, your parents, and your school. Discover how you can transform your school's financial management. With CollegeOne Suite, book a demo today at www.collegeone.net or call us at 1-800-913-7042.